Should be recording now, but I don't really care. I probably won't use it, but who knows. Probably shouldn't do this over a mouse pad, but I don't really care. Okay, so I need to take all of these off right now. Alright, we have all the keycaps off. Now I'm gonna do a lazy lube of the switches. Basically, I'm just putting lube on like the top instead of taking them off and putting them apart or whatever, because it's a lot easier and I'm lazy. And also, they still sound pretty good. So, yeah, now I can lube them, so let's do that. And I think I am now done lubing. So now I think it's just keycaps time and I'll be done. So here are the keycaps. I think it comes with a keycap puller too. Yeah, it does. So these are like light blue on like the letters and stuff, and like on the outside ones it's white. And I think for the F keys and like the home page, home scroll up, whatever, and all that stuff, I think they're a combination of them. And please don't put this on the wrong way, that would be very, very embarrassing. And I put the U key on upside down. How did I do that? Anyway, now my modded C87. Look at this. Oh, damn. $112.98%. Yeah, I mean, I think it sounds better. I don't know if you heard it at the beginning. I think it definitely sounds better.